When you upload an image to your website to use on either your content page or within your modules, you may find that your images require to be resized and cropped to fit the allowed space. In this video, we're going to review resizing and cropping the images. We're going to use our image banner for this sample. So I'm going to access my image banner through the modules, and I'm going to add a banner image. Now when I come in to add a banner image, you'll see that my dimensions here are already laid out for me. 624 pixels wide by 311 pixels high. I'm going to use an image that I have already uploaded to the site. So I'm going to hit my image browser. I'm going to upload an image. You'll see when I selected my image from my computer that the system is giving me a status bar on when I can expect the upload to be completed. In this case, my image is quite large, so it's taking a few seconds to upload. The amount of time taken to upload will require on your internet speed as well as the size of the native image. Once the upload is complete, it will automatically refresh the system, and here's the image I just uploaded. Now I want to resize and crop my image to fit the 624 by 311. So I'm going to click the little arrow in the bottom right hand corner of the image, and I'm going to select the edit option. The edit window will come in, and we'll see that my image is way too big to use on my website. It's just way too big. So I need to size this down. The important reason to size it down is because when you upload images to your website that are too large, it can slow down the load time, and that's never good. So resizing and cropping your image to fit happens in two steps. Resizing first, cropping second. So first we're going to hit resize. Now you'll see that we've got the native proportions here. We've got 2400 wide by 1607 high. We want to take the largest number of our required dimensions and use that as our guide for resizing. So in this case, it's 624 wide is our largest number. So in this box, I'm going to hit 624, and then I'm going to click out of the box. You'll see that my height automatically sized proportionately because the constrain proportions button is on. Now you'll see that my image is a lot smaller and a lot more manageable. So we'll hit apply. Once the image has finished resizing, step number 2 is to crop it to the finished size that I need it. So for this, we'll hit the crop button. You have 4 options here: top, left, width, and height. In this particular case, we're going on width and height. So we'll put my width again as 624. And in this case, we'll put my height at 311. And when I click out of the box, you'll see now that I have a bounding box around my image that is the exact dimensions that I need it to be. During the cropping phase, I can slide this up and down to the portion of the image that I want to be visible when I'm finished cropping. So I've slidden it into position, and I'm going to click apply. It will finish cropping the image for me, and I will simply hit save, and I can either save over the existing file, or I can click save and save it as a different file. We're going to save over the existing, and here it is now. In this particular case, I can now use this in my banner, and it will fit perfectly.